Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting. I put ChatGPT's voice mode to the test with 9 mind-blowing prompts. Whether you're an AI lover or just curious about the future of conversational AI, you're in for a treat. Let's see how well ChatGPT handles complex questions, creative tasks, and everything in between. Trust me, this one's going to surprise you. My friend has just passed his college, and now we're asking him for a treat, but he is not agreeing? What should I do?
You could try to convince him by highlighting the significance of the moment and how much it would mean to everyone to celebrate together. Maybe suggest a casual get-together rather than a big event, which might make it easier for him to agree.
This solution is a good one. That's why ChatGPT is ruling on this world. Now try other one. I'm sitting sad. Can you tell me an amazing sad poetry?
Certainly. Here's a poignant poem for you. The night sky weeps in silent grace. Stars shimmer in their dark embrace. Lonely winds through memories roam. Echoes of a distant home. Tears fall like raindrops, cold and clear. Each one a whisper of a year. Heartbreak dances in the moon's soft light. A melancholy symphony of night.
I would like to go to San Francisco, but I can't get a train from New York.
If you're having trouble finding a train, you might want to consider flying or taking a bus as alternatives. Flights are usually quicker, and bus services might be more affordable. Have you looked into those options?
Do a live commentary for a soccer match.
Alright, here we go. Welcome everyone to this exciting soccer match. The teams are out on the field and the atmosphere is electric. The whistle blows and we're underway. The home team is quickly advancing, passing the ball around with precision. A brilliant through ball. The striker is charging towards the goal. He takes a shot. What a save by the goalkeeper. The away team is counterattacking now, moving upfield rapidly. They're looking for that opening. It's a cross into the box. Oh, and it's a fantastic header. The crowd erupts as the ball finds the back of the net. What a goal. The home team needs to respond now. Let's see how they adjust in the remaining minutes of this thrilling game.
Can you make an ad for my biscuits?
Sure. Here's a simple ad for your biscuit. Craving a delightful treat? Try our biscuits. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and packed with delicious flavor in every bite. Perfect with a cup of tea or as a snack anytime. Treat yourself to the perfect blend of taste and texture with our irresistible biscuits. Grab yours today and savor the goodness.
That is amazing. I got the whole ad script without even typing. I'm going to Istanbul City. Can you tell me 5 amazing places to visit?
Absolutely. In Istanbul, you shouldn't miss these 5 amazing places. 1. Hagia Sophia, a stunning architectural marvel with a rich history as a church, mosque, and now a museum. 2. Topkapi Palace, the former imperial residence of Ottoman sultans with beautiful gardens and incredible artifacts. 3. Blue Mosque, known for its striking blue tiles and impressive architecture. 4. Grand Bazaar, one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, perfect for shopping and exploring. 5. Basilica Cistern, an ancient underground water reservoir with mesmerizing columns and ambience.
This one is informative, like, you got the places and also their information. ChatGPT is so good for learning. This tool can change the world. My 2 friends are fighting and both of them are on their right, so what should I do to end this fight?
If both of your friends have valid points, try to mediate by helping them understand each other's perspectives. Encourage a calm discussion where each person can express their feelings and find common ground. Sometimes, acknowledging both sides and finding a compromise can help resolve conflicts.
I have 1 lakh rupees. Please tell me 3 businesses to do in a local market.
With 1 lakh rupees, you could consider starting 1. A small retail store, selling essential goods or niche products robots based on local demand. 2. Food cart or cafe, offering popular snacks, drinks, or local delicacies. 3. Service-based business, such as a repair service, tutoring, or event planning, depending on your skills and local needs. Each option has the potential to cater to your local market effectively.
I'm going to buy an old iPhone, so tell me how to check it for not getting into a fraud.
When buying an old iPhone, check the following to avoid fraud. 1. Verify the IMEI. Make sure the IMEI number on the phone matches the one listed in the settings and isn't blacklisted. 2. Check for activation lock. Ensure the phone isn't locked to someone else's Apple ID. 3. Inspect physical condition. Look for any signs of damage or tampering, and test all features like the camera and buttons. Also, ask for the original receipt or proof of purchase if possible.
That's it for today's AI adventure, but we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. If you loved this test, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more mind-bending tech content, and let me know in the comments which prompt you want to try out next. See you in the next video, where we keep pushing the boundaries of AI together.